have, if my camera will focus, VTX. So we've got some LEDs there, which you probably can't see. And on this side we've got two buttons, one for power level and one for your channel and band long press. Sorry about my dirty hands. Two options here, a plug or a hard solder and an MMCX connector. This VTX goes up to 800 milliwatts, 7 to 25 volt DC in, 5 volt out, and it's got smart audio. So it's really just your run-of-the-mill standard, 800 milliwatt VTX. I guess the real test is to see how it fits. Let's do that. VTX is now mounted in place. I've flipped it over, so you've got the thicker bit underneath. Oh, is that going to focus? Come on, camera. Play the game. There we go. So the thicker part is underneath, so that I've got room to mount my Crossfire Micro on top there. Shouldn't cause me any problems, I wouldn't think. But it's mounted up very tidily, and well, all I've got to do now is take it out and test it. Right, so we've done the bench tests. Been over some of the features I like, some of the features. Actually, there's not really any features I don't like. Maybe just the weight. I think it's a little bit heavier than a Unify. It's not really too bad. If you're in a racing environment, that might count, but for acro and stuff like that, I don't think it's really going to be a problem. There's only a couple of grams in it. So here we have the trusty quad. So there's only a couple of things you look for really in the VTX. They're pretty well proven now. If it transmits video, well, I guess that's all it really has to do. The only real factor that I have to test now is video noise filtering. Now, the Unify and Tramp, and I think the AKK does it as well. Those sort of three ranges of VTX, they have it pretty well down pat now. There's no real noise issues. So I guess all we're testing today is to see how the tank compares with the trusted few brands. So I guess we're going to test it now. So I'm really impressed with this VTX. I haven't really had any noise issues with this quad with other VTXs, to be fair, but I don't know, I haven't got a back-to-back DVR comparison, but that was crystal clear. There was no video noise. I'm running one capacitor on it, D-Shot 600, you know, the usual kind of jazz, some old RS 2205 Emax motors, and well, you'll see it on the DVR anyway. That was just crystal clear, no lines or noise or anything like that. I did a few punch outs and flips, and normally that kind of stuff tends to show up in flips and stuff, and there's just none of that. So I don't know, honestly I'm really impressed with this VTX. If you're after a stackable VTX, so that's your standard 31mm mounting pattern, and 800 milliwatts that'll just handle it all day, then I think this is the one to go for. Yeah, it definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I have spoken to some people who've run Rush gear before, and they've all had a really good run with it. So I think long term I'm not expecting to have any issues with this, but you know, that's not something I can cover in a 2-minute review. So that's the sort of stuff I'll have to keep posted on. But yeah, thumbs up.